Hi, it's Jane at 5 for you, and we are launching our new angel for 2020. Although, like our year so far, nothing's been normal. So our angel is not an angel, he's a snowman. So say hello to our snowman. Those of you who have made our angels before now will recognize the angel likeness of how you make him, and he's all on a jaunty angle, so he can still be a t-lite holder to have the light under the snowman body. And he's got his top hat, or you could make a woolly hat, and it has some mistletoe leaves and holly and stars and hearts all the way around the brim with a lovely little snowflake on there. And on the back we've got some heart cutouts, we've got some snowflakes pressed in, we've got some relief snowflakes, lovely scarf fastened with a nice snowflake. And for those of you who love doing the garlic press work, we have to have tassels on the end of our fancy scarf. Our buttons will be lit up holes by the tea light that will go under, finished off with a little carrot nose. And you can see our angel from last year lurking in the background, not wanting to be outdone. She will be making an appearance at the workshops as well. So it'll be either angel nights or snowmen nights or gingerbread houses or Christmas wreaths, but we'll not be mixing the classes due to our table numbers. We'll be setting dates for the individual sessions. So I hope you enjoy the debut of our little snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? And is he worth it melting for? Time will tell when you come to make them. After this video is gone on live, we will have the classes available live too for you to book in. And we look forward to welcoming you into the studio very soon. There'll be some evening sessions and daytime sessions. Bye for now.